Hi dear students, welcome back to your online computer class. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 7, turtle making shape. In the previous chapter we already learned some logo commands. We just learned the basics of logo commands, FD command, RT command, pen up command, set command, pen down command. These all commands we just to learn to draw small lines. We can move the turtle from the home position around the screen. Right? In this chapter we are going to learn to draw a geometrical shapes. What are the commands? We need to draw a geometrical shape. For that we are going to see some commands. We are going to draw rectangle, square, triangle, like that. Okay. There is an example in your text to draw a square of 50 units. Okay. So here you can see this command, the lengthy command, FD50 RT90. Like that, it is the same command is written 4 times. Then only we can draw this square. Okay. Without writing these lengthy command, we can write in a one step with the help of another command. That command we call it as repeat command. What is the use of repeat command? To avoid typing of the same command a number of times. You can just use repeat command. How many times you can repeat the command? You can type that number. So repeat command enable. What is repeat command? Repeat command enables you to execute a set of commands multiple times without writing the command again and again. Okay, here you can see the syntax. This is a syntax. Repeat n. N means how many times you want to repeat the same step and that set of commands. Okay, you can write it. When considering this command, we want to repeat it 4 times. So we want to write repeat 4. And the command want to repeat is FD50 RT90. That step should be inside this square bracket. That is the use of repeat command. In a single step we can write this. We can draw in a single step. We can draw this square with the help of repeat command. Okay. Next one is drawing regular polygon, which means closed geometrical shape we are going to draw. It is consists of 3 or more than 3 sides, such as equilateral triangle, square, all that. Okay, we are going to draw a regular polygon. To draw a regular polygon of n sides, the angle of the rotation of the turtle is 360 by n. Okay, we can see this table. To draw a triangle, it has how many sides? 3 sides. So, what is the equation? 360 by 3. It is 120. We want to do it 3 times. So, repeat 3. FD50. FD50 means the height. Okay. RT 120. 120 means here we got 120. 120. We want to turn the turtle 120 degree right side. Okay. That is 120 degree, which means the angle of these 3 sides. The angle of this angle and this angle is 120 degree. So that is represented here, RT 120. Okay. Then comes square. Square has 4 sides. So we want to divide 360 by 4. It is 90 degree, 90 units. How many times you want to repeat? 4 times, which has how many sides? Square has 4 sides. So repeat the same step 4 times. And length is, we can change. If you want 60, you can write 60. Now it is 50. So FD50 RT90. 90 means we want to turn the turtle right side to 90 degree. Like this we can draw the shapes. It has how many shapes? You can how many sides? There is an equation for to draw a regular polygon using repeat command is repeat number of sides. Then FD number of units, RT 360 by number of sides. That is represented here. Okay, this is the way we can draw a regular polygons. Next we are going to see to draw a circle. We are going to draw a circle using repeat command. Okay, we are going to this drawing to we are going to draw this circle. The angle of the circle is 360 degree. So we want to repeat the same step how many times? 360 times. FD1 RT1. Okay, we are repeating this FD1 RT1 how many times? 360 times. And we are going to make this circle. Okay, so this is the how we are going to make a circle with the command repeat 360 FD1 RT1. Okay, the next is drawing parts of circle. We can make semicircle and quarter circle. With the help of this is semicircle and the below one is quarter circle. Okay, what is the command to draw a semicircle? Semicircle 180. What is the half of 360? 360 by 2 is 180. The half of the circle we are going to draw. So, how many times we want to repeat? We want to repeat 180 times. The 4 FD 3, which means the height is, we want to move the turtle from home position. How many units? 3 units. That is FD3. And we want to turn the turtle right. How many degree? 1 degree. The same step is repeated how many times? 180 times. Okay. And we can make semicircle. Next one is quarter circle. We are going to make quarter circle. This is quarter circle. The command is repeat 90. The half of 180. Half of 180 is 180 by 2 is 90. The command is repeat 90. FD4 RT1. Okay. The length, how many units you want to move the turtle from home position is 4 units. So we write FD4. How many degree you want to turn? We can turn RT1. That is FD4 RT1. Then the last topic is repeat within repeat or nested repeat, which means we are writing repeat command. Here we can see repeat 3 FD80 RT90 LT 180. Okay, we are repeating the command 3 times. Which is the command? FD80 RT90. We are repeating 3 times. After completing that, we are turned the turtle to 180 degree left side. Okay, so we can draw this type of a shape. And the same step is repeating here. Repeat 3 FD80 RT90 and LT 180. We are repeating the same step how many times? 4 times. So we are writing the same step. The 3 times we are writing in a one step, that is repeat 4. What do you want to repeat? Repeat 3 FD80 RT90 LT 180. The whole step we are writing in a single step. So here you can see 2 repeat. That is called nested repeat or repeat inside another repeat. Okay, so please do all these commands in your rough book and learn all these commands and how to draw all these how to draw a shape with all these commands. In the next computer lab, you can do this exercise, this lab activity. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.